The piano keyboard is one of the most recognized images in Western culture. Its pattern of black and white keys organizes the notes into patterns that are unique and can be recognized by our eyes and our fingers. Even if you are not a piano player, learning music on the piano keyboard is essential to understanding music theory. The pattern of notes on the piano keyboard did not come about by accident, nor did one person invent it. There have been many variations on the layout for a musical keyboard. The piano keyboard is simply one of the most popular and more useful variations. When everything looks the same, you cannot find your way around. There are no landmarks. It does not matter if you are finding your way around a desert, the North Pole, the Pacific Ocean, or the imaginary line of pitch space. If everything looks the same, you get lost. If the keyboard looked like this, with a black key in between every white key, how could we figure out which note was which? On the piano keyboard, the landmarks that you can see and feel are where the two white keys are next to each other, with no black key in between. This keyboard might be appropriate for a 3-note scale. This keyboard would work for 4-note scales. As it is, our keyboard is designed for 7-note scales. If you use all of the keys, black and white, each key is equally spaced in pitch from its neighboring keys. Notice there are no black keys in between the notes B and C, nor between the notes E and F on the keyboard. This means that the distance between the notes of these pairs are half the distance of other pairs of neighboring white keys. Now notice the pattern of black keys in groups of 2s and 3s. This pattern helps us to find our place on our visual graph of pitch space. The distance between any two neighboring letter-named notes is a step or a tone. The larger distance, say between the notes A and B, is a whole step or a whole tone. The distance between the notes B and C, as well as E and F, is a half step or a semitone. Amongst all of the letter-named notes, these half steps are the landmarks on our landscape of pitch space. Learn to recognize these landmarks on the keyboard, in your ear, and on the musical staff. That way you will always be able to find your way around pitch space.